Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to turn in an assignment in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go down, I'm just going to scroll down to an assignment where the teacher has added a document. When a teacher adds a document that you can make changes to, it will be attached in the assignment. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open the assignment up, and then you should see the document that they have created for you. When you click on it and open it, it will create a document that has the name of the assignment and your name behind it. Anytime a teacher shares a document with you that creates your own copy and creates a copy for each member of the classroom, it is editable by you. You can make your own changes to it. No one else sees those changes. To turn this assignment in, you're going to use the turn in button from the document. That's the easiest way to turn this in. You do not ever want to use the share button. The share button sends it to a different location for the teacher. Anytime you are working in Classroom, working on a document from Classroom, you always want to use the turn in and do not use share. So share is just to collaborate with other people, not to share documents with your teacher. So you would click the turn in button to turn this in. So that is one way to turn in assignments in Google Classroom if the teacher gives you something to do. The next way is to create your own assignment. So once you have the assignment open, you can always go to create. And let's say if the teacher asks you to create a Google document, you would create that document. And it's going to add it right here. And it's going to have, again, the name of the assignment with your name behind it. And so you can click right there and open the assignment and do everything that you're asked to do. When you create your own assignments, you will notice that there is not a turn-in button, or there is a turn-in button up here. Again, do not use the share button. You're always going to use the turn-in button from this point. So that's the second way to use or to turn in assignments in Google Classroom. And another way is to add a file that you have created. And so whenever you've created a file, you can just go to add. Let's say if you've created it from your Google Drive, you can select there and go to where you found it. You can also add a link if you're ever asked to add a link to something. If you created a video that is online, you might need to use the link to that video to turn that video in. You can also add a file. Sometimes when you download files, this is where you're going to find it, is in the file. And so if you downloaded something, let's say a screen capture or something like that, you would go to select files from your computer. When you select the files from your computer, anything that you screenshot is going to be right here in your downloads file. And so you can see I have a screenshot right here. I can select that screenshot and open it. If I want to add more files, I can. I would need to click upload from this point. And then you'll see that the screenshot shows up right there. If you ever notice that you have something on here that you don't need to turn in, you can always just click the X to remove that data. When you're ready to turn in all of your work, anything that you've added to the assignment and the assignment is complete, you will just click the blue turn in button. And then you'll have a second screen to select turn in. And when you turn that in, it will send your teacher a notification that your work has been turned in. If you accidentally turned something in wrong, you can always say unsubmit and then unsubmit again. And then you can go make changes to your documents before you turn in your final assignment.